Artificial intelligence is moving past simple text generation. When you connect an AI to live databases and external APIs, you create an active system. But giving a non-deterministic reasoning engine the ability to execute real-world tasks introduces a massive operational risk. Left unconstrained, automated workflows can quickly spin out of control. We have to establish the baseline. A standard chatbot is a bounded application. It takes a user's prompt, synthesizes information, and outputs text on a screen. This split-screen diagram illustrates the architectural divergence. On the left, a standard chatbot receives and returns text. On the right, an AI agent operates differently. It interprets a goal, plans a sequence of steps, and actively fires requests to external systems to execute workflows. Large language models are probabilistic. They guess the next most likely token. Empowering a probabilistic model with the authority to trigger real-world actions means relying on a non-deterministic system to make strict business decisions. Without rigorous boundaries, an agent will fail in expensive ways. It will hallucinate API calls that don't exist. It will accidentally pull data from the wrong tenant's database. It will attempt to delete content or trigger unauthorized actions because it misunderstood the user's intent. Developers often try to solve this by writing stricter system prompts, telling the model to be careful or double-check permissions. System prompts are instructions, not security boundaries. The model can and will ignore them when presented with conflicting external data. Building a reliable agent is a systems engineering problem. A production agent is a rigid, deterministic software control plane that strictly governs a reasoning engine. We can construct this production architecture from the ground up. This diagram starts with the large language model isolated at the center as a reasoning engine. By itself, the LLM is isolated. It cannot independently drive a workflow or have direct network access. We enclose the model within an orchestrator, which manages the core agentic loop, prompting the model to think, act, and observe results before deciding the next step. Allowing a model to dictate its own loop dynamically is dangerous. An agent repeatedly calling the same failing tool consumes massive tokens, driving up latency and exponential cloud computing costs. The orchestrator intercepts these failures. It enforces rigid engineering constraints at the code level, maximum step limits, hard timeouts for external queries, and strict error fallbacks when an API fails to respond. Structuring predictable state machine workflows through an orchestrator guarantees the agent always resolves to a safe state, rather than relying on the model's free-form planning. To make the agent useful, the orchestrator needs access to external systems. We provide this through tools, specific, scoped functions defined in the application logic. We categorize functions by risk. Read tools strictly fetch context, like searching a course catalog or checking payment status, without altering server data. Write tools carry exponential risk. Functions like issuing refunds or updating a CRM actively mutate data and trigger downstream business logic. Engineers deploy read-only agents first, restricting the system to investigating and drafting recommendations. Write capabilities are unlocked only after demonstrating consistent accuracy. AI agents face a unique vulnerability called prompt injection. If an agent reads a maliciously formatted support ticket, that external text can overwrite the system's original instructions, hijacking the reasoning engine. Because of this vulnerability, we establish an absolute architectural rule. Large language models must never have direct, unvalidated access to execute tools. We insert an application permission layer as the critical security perimeter between the orchestrator and the tool execution logic. If a user's manipulative prompt tricks the LLM into generating a fraudulent refund tool call, the architecture independently intercepts it. It checks the session ID, confirms the lack of admin privileges, and outright rejects the action, returning an error. Role-based access control must be rigidly enforced in the application code. Prompt-based guardrails are easily bypassed. Hard-coded server permissions are not. Feeding entire chat histories into an LLM's context window creates massive data bloat, exponentially increasing API costs and severely slowing response times. Treating memory as a massive unstructured text block appended to the system prompt is a critical mistake. It sloods the model, degrading reasoning quality. Instead, the architecture uses structured memory management. The orchestrator queries standard databases and filters the output, injecting only the exact metadata required for the current step. High-stakes write actions require a failsafe. We introduce a human-in-the-loop workflow. routing drafted actions to an administrator for manual approval. Finally, an observability layer actively logs every orchestrator cycle, tracking token consumption, tool inputs, and permission denials. Deploying an agent without exhaustive observability creates a black box. Without tracking the exact data retrieved and the logic used to request a tool, debugging the system when it fails becomes impossible. This complete diagram represents a production-ready agent architecture. Let's trace a complex request through this infrastructure. A corporate administrator asks the agent to analyze a specific department's skill gaps and generate a new corporate learning path. The request enters the orchestrator. The orchestrator safely queries read tools to fetch the current course catalog, pulls the department's training history from memory, and loops this data through the LLM to structure a curriculum. Once the model drafts the plan, the orchestrator initiates a save command. The packet hits the permission layer, verifies the user holds admin rights for that specific tenant, triggers a write tool to update the database, and sends the execution latency down to the observability logs. Notice the physical footprint of the reasoning engine within this diagram. The language model is just one modular component, heavily insulated by rigid application infrastructure. For enterprise developers, the goal is not building maximum AI autonomy. The goal is engineering useful, heavily constrained, and entirely auditable assistance.